Hello viewers, راځئ چې زده کړو د انګلیش important sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers ویډیو کمپلیټ وګورئ او چینل سبسکرایب کړئ. Sentence دی talk to me. Talk to me. لما سره خبرې وکړه. بل sentence دی once was enough. Enough معنی ده پورا یا کافی. یو ځل کافی وه. once was enough. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. په مستقیم ډول روان شئ. سیده روان شئ. Try your luck. Try کوشش وکړه. Your luck مطلب یې شو خپل بخت او ازموئ. luck. Try it on. Try it on. دا کوشش وکړئ. دا هڅه وکړئ. Try it on. She don't know. She don't know. هغه نه پوهیږي یا هغې ته پته نشته. Don't cross the limit. Limit معنی ده حد. له حده مه تیریږه. مه کراس کوه. Always think positive. Always think positive. تل مثبت فکر وکړئ. Do it again please. Again مطلب دوباره. مهرباني وکړئ. بیا یې وکړئ. She was fine. Fine مطلب ښه. هغه ښه وه. She was fine. She was fine. Don't go on wrong way. wrong غلطه. په غلطه لاره مه ځئ. She was a pretty girl. Pretty مطلب ښکلې. هغه یو ښکلې جینۍ وه. Call me soon. Call me soon. زر ماته رنګ وکړه. Improve your English. Improve your English. خپل انګلیش ښه کړئ. English is very important. Aham. Important means aham. English ډیر اهم دی. Viewers چینل سبسکرایب کړئ. ویډیو لایک کړئ او شیر هم کړئ. Thanks for watching this video.